So today I'm going to show you how to import 3D step data, PCB step data into Altium Designer. So this is my PCB template in 2D, and when I will go to 3D, then it looks like this. You can just click on number 3 and then it will switch from 2D to 3D, or on 2, so from 3D to 2D. That's how it works. So now I'm in 3D mode of Altium Designer. Go to import the 3D step data of PCB, you can go to the place, choose 3D body, and then select the step file which you have received from your construction department, or if you have made yourself, then choose that and then click OK, and then it looks like this. So as you can see that my PCB board is there. Now I choose the where I have to place. I choose the border and then click on that. So that's how it looks like. Escape, so that we just need only one step file, and that's how it looks like. Double click on the this PCB 3D step data and go to the PCB. Here you can see that if you have chosen the 3D models in PCB and go to select these free models, then it show you the complete free models, and then when you will click here, then it will show you which parts are included in that step data. And then we can see that here there are two files. The first one is this one, and the second one is, I think, the parts. So for example, if I will switch it off or hide it, then that's how it looks like. And then when I will again unclick it or activate it, then that's how it looks like. So you can also choose the opacity from here, and then let me see whether it's properly there is placed on my PCB or not. So here you can see that there is gap between these two PCB, which means that they are not placing on each other. There is some offset. So what you can do, you can click on this PCB, go to the properties, and then change this standoff height from 0 to, in my case, normally I take 4-layer PCB which is having a width of 1.6 millimeters, so I will go for minus 1.6, and then I hope so that it will sit perfectly. Just let it check one more time, and so now you can see that there is no difference there, that PCB is sitting exactly on my PCB. So now what we can do, we have to import this step in our PCB, because at the moment our PCB looks like this, the default PCB which I have chosen. So now again I will go to the 3D and then go to design, board shape, and then choose define board shape from 3D body. So once you will choose the board shape from the 3D body, so here you can see the difference, which part is chosen. We have to choose this one. So this one is bright, and then once you will click on that, that part is chosen. So select this one, do not modify the model position, and then again switch to 2D and then go to design, create primitives from the board shape. So, and then normally I take the width for this 0.1, and then layer, that is a board contour layer. Okay, then again I will go to the board shape, choose create primitives from board shape, and then I will take keep out with that. 0.1 millimeter is enough for me. Okay, and yeah, the board shape is imported from 3D to 2D, and now again I will go to the 3D and then click on this, go to the PCB, here again on 3D, choose 3D model here, and then you have to activate this so that you can see the rest of the parts. and then again change the opacity from height to 75 or 50% as you wish, and that's how it looks like. Yes, it looks good. Yeah, so that's all. That's how you can import the step data into Altium Designer and do your layout. Yeah, thank you very much.